You're done. You're done. Stop. No.
On July 20th, 2024, a confrontation was recorded between police and a woman named Brittany at a golf course after she was reported for disorderly conduct and drunkenness. Golf course staff called the police because Brittany was drunk and disruptive on the golf course. She drove across the green while others were playing and was aggressive toward other players. She claimed she was being disrespected.
On the course, going through guys' games,
Okay.
being belligerent.
We can talk about it,
Ma'am,
because clearly you don't want to be here, I'm okay with that.
honey,
Don't.
do you think I would be here if I don't want to be here?
I don't know you. I don't even know why you're here. So that's where we are.
This is about a respect thing.
Are you a member here, ma'am?
I'm going to show you.
I just want to know if you're a member. They're trying to figure out if you're a member or not.
Okay, well, that's the thing. So they don't even, like, I'm about to call my mother and father, and, like, you're both there. Everybody's disrespecting the out of me. And, like, that's the thing.
Okay, well, right now I'm going to ask you for your identification,
That's
okay?
fine. But you know what? I'm going to show you. I want a refund for my.
Go ahead and show me your ID, ma'am.
You know what?
I'm
You
not
can
gonna-
go off.
I'm not...
You
okay.
can.
All right. No, you're done. You're done.
Hands behind your back.
No.
Hands behind your back.
Hey,
No, you know what?
Stop.
No,
Stop.
you know
Stop.
what?
No.
No, I'm
No.
sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
You're
sorry.
at Ennis
I
Club.
apologize.
Listen,
I
stop.
apologize. I
No.
apologize.
No, it's too late for
Hands behind your
apologizing.
back.
Okay, I apologize.
Stop. Ma'am, stop. Do not fight. Ma'am, listen, do not fight. Stop fighting.
I'm not fighting.
Do not resist, okay? Right now you are under arrest and you're resisting. Stop.
Listen.
Ma'am, listen, you are resisting arrest right now. Stop.
Okay, can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop? Stop. Can you stop? This is funny, right?
All right, hold on.
Ow! It's ow!
Get down on the ground. Get down. Yep.
Is this funny?
Okay.
What? Is this funny to you guys? Is this funny to you guys?
I'm not laughing.
What?
My fingers in it. Hold on.
Is this funny to you guys?
Got it.
Wait, is this funny to you guys?
Beautiful.
Wait, is this funny to you guys? Wait.
You all right?
Yeah, absolutely. So, what could have been a simple conversation just turned into you being handcuffed.
Stand up. Yana.
Yep. You want to open his door?
Okay, so.
I'm going to cut her down, but I hope you get to sit real quick.
Ow.
Put your foot down and stop kicking me. Put your foot down and stop kicking me.
All right. Can I move anything? You got it.
Relax. Okay. Have a seat in there.
Come on.
Have a seat back.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, listen. Back up in there.
this is not.
Go backwards. Go backwards. Can you pull her back?
Wait, what?
This way.
Wait,
Come on.
what is going on?
There we go.
What is
Sit up.
What is going on?
Relax. Relax.
It went from 0 to 100 real quick.
Are you having her trespass on your property?
After
I
this,
think I shut up.
I'm glad you did.
That's why I just made to watch it, man. She was on the course. She was screwed up.
Do me a favor. Can I get your name real quick and everything?
Yeah, I'm Lieutenant for Seminole, PG.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
That's why I watched it.
Do you have your ID?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine. That's mine. So what did you see when she was out there?
When she was out there, we were on another hole, and she's like, "You son of a bitch!" Fuck to somebody else about 100 yards from us.
Yeah.
Then we left her, went around, and then the other group that we were with was on the same green, putting it. She drove across.
Yeah, just stand by a
she
second.
drove across the green. They were literally putting it. She just drives across it by herself, and then She said she was coming back up here, and that's the last time we seen her, and that was probably an hour and a half ago.
Okay. Go ahead and issue a trespass to her.
Hey, Brittany, you gonna be trespassing in this book, okay?
Fine. I don't care. I would love that.
Okay. Do you have ID?
I do.
Thank you.
I promise I'm a good Brittany. I know. I'm a good one. I'm a good one.
All that just.
Brittany with the I or Brittany with the Y?
Brittany with a Y. A-N-Y.
Oh, I don't even know what the f I did. I didn't want the alias number.
She is trespassing. She comes back on the property, call us.
Perfect.
And she'll go to jail, okay?
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you very much. All right. I have a adult female on board.
Are you arresting me?
Mileage is 51130.
Are you arresting me?
Yes, ma'am. You are under arrest.
Why?
Brittany was handcuffed in the back seat. She asked why she was being arrested and was told she faced multiple charges, possibly a misdemeanor and a felony, for resisting arrest. She repeatedly asked the police to take her to her parents' house, but they refused.
Why does somebody have my property?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you know what? I need my property.
You'll get it when you get to the jail.
So nobody even told me what I was being arrested for. So
You're being arrested for probably one misdemeanor and one felony.
I'm gonna jump out of the car and then I'm gonna get another felony.
Door's locked.
Huh?
Door's locked. You're not getting out of the vehicle.
Okay.
You get,
well,
if you try and get out of the vehicle, I'll charge you with escape too.
you're charging me with what?
Escape.
Oh well, is that why somebody wanted to make sure they got my property? Oh, can we all go to my parents' house? I would love to. Can we please go to my parents' house because it's right here. Can we please I don't want can we please
Oh, thank you so much.
Ma'am, listen up real quick, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
You, sir.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
I know
You have the
what
right
that
to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present
what
with
that
you
means?
while you are being questioned.
What that means?
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or any statements.
What does that mean?
Do you understand each of these rights that I've just read to
Can you
you?
tell me what that means?
That I've explained to you? Do you
Can
understand?
you tell me what that means?
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Can you tell me what that means? I'm sorry.
It's all the way across.
What's that? No, I would like to.
Move your foot back.
I would like
Move
to
your
talk.
foot
I would
back.
like to talk to my family or.
Ma'am, move your foot back.
I don't want to go to jail. Like.
Okay. Move your face. I don't want to. You already got mulch in it. Move. All right.
Is there are you gonna arrest me? Can you just tell me now?
Yeah.
Can you call my parents?
No, you can call them at the jail.
Are we gonna go?
No, you're going to be going in a van.
What do you mean?
It's a conveyance van.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean?
Well, or can we just not go?
What?
Can we just not go?
No.
Can I just give you some money and we can not go? Because that's what your friend said.
You're going to give me money?
That's what your friend said.
No.
That's what your friend said.
You're about to rack up another charge for bribing a law enforcement officer.
I didn't say that. Your friend said that. I saw him do the little money sign. I would never do that.
All right, come on.
Are you arresting me?
Come on. The quicker you get out of there, the quicker you're going to be able to go home.
Please take me home. Please take me home.
I can't take you home.
How do I get home? Are my parents going to come here?
Yeah, your parents are going to come here.
Oh, please take me home.
You got it, okay?
Yep. I'm so sorry. I will probably do
Okay.
whatever
All right,
you
come
want.
on.
I'll
Come
do
on.
whatever you
Come
want.
on, just go this way.
I'll do it. Oh, no. No, you're fine. No, fine.
Get this over with so then you can get out and go home.
How you doing, ma'am? I need to face these
Am I
two.
going to jail?
Yes, ma'am. I need you to face these two doors right there. Separate your feet.
I don't want to go to jail.
I need you to separate.
Brittany, stand right there.
Separate your feet. Separate your feet.
I don't want to go
Separate
to
your
jail.
feet.
I don't want to go to jail.
Separate your feet. I'm going to come to the front. Don't be more comfortable, okay?
Who the f are you guys?
Hey, hey.
Brittany, don't even start.
Well, I need some ID.
Brittany, stop.
Well, can I see some ID?
Just hey, listen. Don't get another charge. Okay, just relax.
Well, can I have one?
Just relax.
Well, can I see? Can I have my stuff?
Brittany, yes, we have your stuff. We're gonna give it to you.
This is Brittany. Well, where's the other Brittany?
Brittany, stop. Listen,
You
stop,
gotta
stop.
Stop it. Stop it.
Can I have
Stop it.
Excuse you. Can you take me to my house? It's first time I want to have my.
Stop it.
I'm gonna punch you and kill you.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's
Well, now
another.
you got a threat. How about that?
Excuse you. Look. Okay. So where's my stuff?
Yeah, come on this side. The left side.
You know what? I want my stuff.
Okay, we're gonna give it to you.
Okay, so, but you know what? I think you have me confused with somebody else. Can I talk to him? Can I talk to this guy? Can I talk to this man? Excuse me, sir. I want to talk to this man right here.
Okay.
I want to talk to this man.
All right, good. Want to stay?
No, I'm not going in there.
You know what?
No, I want to talk to this
Brittany,
man.
listen. He'll talk to you once you get in there.
Listen, there's two Brittany.
Bring him back.
I want to talk to
Go in there.
him.
No, go in there. No, there's no conversation to be had.
Where's my...
All your stuff is going with you to the jail.
Okay, but that lady was, you know, this is confusion.
Brittany,
Confusion.
Brittany, stop.
You know what?
Stop, Brittany.
You know what? Like, come on. Okay. You know, why is he, you know what? I want to talk to him.
Okay, he'll talk to you once you go up in there.
Well, you don't even, you said you're not even a, like,
Go in there.
Brittany was given a permanent trespass warning from the area. Brittany faces multiple charges, including at least one misdemeanor and one felony for resisting arrest. Brittany repeatedly demanded to be released, wanted to call her family, and even tried to bribe the police with money, which police warned was a new criminal charge. As she was being placed in the prison van, Brittany continued to scream and threatened to punish and kill the police. Brittany was taken to jail to face charges, including disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, threatening police, and possibly bribery.